Some SUVs lose value fast, some start falling apart before 100,000 miles, and then there are SUVs that seem to ignore time completely. These are the ones you see with faded paint, old plates, and 250,000 miles on the dashboard, still starting every morning like nothing happened. No drama, no constant warning lights, no repair bills that make you question your life choices. Today, we're looking at 10 SUVs that are famous for lasting an insanely long time. The kind of vehicles owners keep for 10, 15, even 20 years. And here's the best part. Some of the best choices on this list are not the obvious ones. So let's start the countdown. Number 10. Mazda CX-5. Starting at number 10, we have the Mazda CX-5. And honestly, this SUV does not get enough respect. Most people talk about Toyota and Honda when they talk about reliability, but Mazda quietly built one of the most dependable compact SUVs on the market. The secret is simple. Mazda did not overcomplicate it. Instead of stuffing the CX-5 with fragile technology just to chase trends, Mazda used a strong, naturally aspirated engine and paired it with a normal 6-speed automatic transmission. That matters, because while many competitors were using CVTs, tiny turbo engines, and complicated drivetrains, Mazda kept the CX-5 mechanical, simple, and solid. The 2.5-liter Skyactiv engine has proven itself over years of real-world driving. It gives good fuel economy without relying on extreme turbo pressure or unnecessary complexity. And the driving experience is better than most reliable SUVs in this class. It feels sharper, more premium, and more expensive than it actually is. The interior also holds up well. The seats, buttons, materials, and cabin design age better than many rivals. So if you want something reliable, practical, and still fun to drive, the CX-5 is one of the smartest used SUV buys out there. It is not the biggest name on this list, but that is exactly why it can be a hidden gem. Number 9. Honda Pilot. At number 9, we have the Honda Pilot, especially the 2016 to 2022 generation. This is one of those SUVs that does not try to be exciting, and that is actually why it lasts. The Honda Pilot is built for families. School runs, road trips, grocery runs, airport pickups, weekend travel. That is its world. Under the hood, you get Honda's 3.5-liter V6. This engine has been used across multiple Honda and Acura vehicles, which means Honda has had years to improve it, test it, and fix weak points. The engine is not stressed in normal driving. It has more than enough power, so most of the time it is just cruising comfortably. That is one of the biggest reasons engines last long. When a powertrain is not constantly working at its limit, it survives. Another big advantage is parts availability. The Pilot shares a lot with other Honda products, so mechanics know it well and parts are easy to find. You do not need some exotic specialist to work on it. You just maintain it properly, change fluids on time, take care of the timing belt service, and this SUV can keep going for hundreds of thousands of miles. It is not flashy, but if you want 3 rows and long-term peace of mind, the Pilot is a very safe bet. Number 8. Lexus RX. Number 8 is the Lexus RX. This is probably one of the most important luxury SUVs ever made. Why? Because it proved that a luxury SUV does not have to become a financial disaster after 100,000 miles. A lot of luxury SUVs feel amazing when they are new, but once they get older, the repair bills start becoming scary. Air suspension problems, electrical issues, expensive brakes, transmission concerns, dealership-only repairs. The Lexus RX took a different path. It gave buyers comfort, quietness, leather, smooth ride quality, and premium features. But underneath, it was still built with Toyota reliability. That is the magic formula. The RX 350's V6 engine is one of Toyota's most trusted engines. It is smooth, durable, and proven across many models. The transmission is also strong, and the overall design is not unnecessarily complicated. That means an RX with 120,000 or 150,000 miles can still feel calm, refined, and dependable. Owners often keep these things for years because there is no strong reason to replace them. They still ride well, they still look respectable, they still feel comfortable, and they usually do not punish you with massive repair costs. If you want a reliable SUV with luxury comfort, the Lexus RX is one of the best choices ever made. Number 7. Subaru Forester. At number 7, we have the Subaru Forester. Now, Subaru's reputation is interesting. Older models had some known problems, especially head gasket issues, and people still talk about that today. But the newer Forester generations improved a lot. From around 2014 onward, the Forester became a much stronger long-term choice. It uses Subaru's famous boxer engine layout, where the cylinders sit flat instead of upright. This gives the vehicle a lower center of gravity and helps reduce vibration. Less vibration over time can mean less stress on parts, which helps the vehicle age better. But the real reason people love the Forester is the all-wheel drive system. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive is one of the best systems in the affordable SUV world. Snow, rain, mud, gravel, bad roads. The Forester handles those conditions with confidence. This is why you see so many older Foresters in cold weather states and mountain towns. People buy them for rough weather, then realize they are also simple, practical, and easy to live with. Another thing owners love is visibility. The windows are large, the driving position is comfortable, and it feels easy to control. The Forester is not trying to impress anyone. It is just a practical SUV that keeps showing up for work every day. And for a lot of owners, that is exactly what they want. Number 6. Toyota Highlander. Number 6 is the Toyota Highlander. This is one of the best family SUVs for people who do not want headaches. The Highlander is not extreme. It is not a hardcore off-roader. It is not trying to be sporty. It is not trying to look aggressive. It is built to carry families comfortably for a very long time. And Toyota is very good at that. One reason the Highlander lasts is parts sharing. Toyota uses similar engines, transmissions, platforms, and components across many vehicles. That means these parts are produced in huge numbers and tested in millions of real-world miles. Problems get discovered quickly. Updates happen. Mechanics become familiar with them. Parts stay available. That is a major advantage. The Highlander hybrid is especially impressive. Toyota's hybrid system is one of the most proven in the world. It does not use a traditional belt-style CVT. Instead, Toyota uses a durable gear-based system that has been refined for decades. That is why Toyota hybrids are known for going extremely high mileage. The hybrid version also reduces wear on brakes because regenerative braking helps slow the vehicle down. So you get 3 rows, good fuel economy, and Toyota durability in one package. For families that keep vehicles long-term, the Highlander is one of the easiest recommendations on the market. Number 5. Acura RDX. At number 5, we have the Acura RDX, especially the second generation from 2013 to 2018. This one is a real sleeper. A lot of people forget about it because it wears an Acura badge instead of a Toyota or Lexus badge. But mechanically, this generation of RDX is excellent. The big reason is the engine. It uses Honda's 3.5-liter V6, which is part of the famous J-Series engine family. This engine has a great reputation for long life when properly maintained. It is smooth, strong, and not overly complicated. The 6-speed automatic transmission is also more traditional and proven than some of the newer setups. That is why many people prefer this older RDX over the newer turbocharged generation. Sometimes newer does not mean better. The second-gen RDX also gives you a nice balance. You get luxury features, comfortable seats, a quiet cabin, and a premium feel. But maintenance costs are still much closer to Honda than German luxury brands. There is one important thing: the timing belt. You need to replace it on schedule, but if you stay on top of that service, this engine can keep running for a very long time. For used SUV buyers, this Acura RDX is one of the smartest choices because it gives you luxury without luxury-level pain. Number 4. Toyota Sequoia. Number 4 is the Toyota Sequoia. This is the SUV you buy when you want something big, strong, and nearly impossible to kill. The second-generation Sequoia is based on the Toyota Tundra pickup platform. That means the frame, suspension, engine, cooling system, and major components were designed for truck duty. And when those truck parts are used mostly for family driving, they are barely being pushed. That is a huge reason the Sequoia lasts so long. The 5.7-liter Toyota V8 is one of the strongest engines Toyota has ever put in a consumer vehicle. It is not fuel efficient, let's be honest, but it is extremely durable. This engine was built with heavy-duty use in mind. Towing, heat, long-distance driving, heavy loads. It can handle a lot. So when someone uses a Sequoia for school runs and highway trips, the engine is operating well below its limits most of the time. That is exactly how vehicles reach crazy mileage. The Sequoia is not cheap to fuel. It is not small. It is not modern feeling compared to newer SUVs. But if the goal is durability, space, and strength, this thing is a monster. It is the type of SUV that can stay in a family for years and still be passed down to someone else. Number 3. Honda CR-V. Number 3 is the Honda CR-V. This is one of the most trusted compact SUVs ever made. The CR-V became popular because it gives people exactly what they need. Good space, good fuel economy, low maintenance, comfortable driving, and very strong reliability. The older 4th-generation CR-V with the 2.4-liter engine is especially respected. That engine is simple, proven, and easy for mechanics to service. It is not trying to be fancy, it just works. That is why you see so many CR-Vs with 200,000 miles or more still being used every day. The newer hybrid CR-V is also a strong choice because Honda's hybrid system reduces strain on the engine and brakes. In normal traffic, the electric motor helps a lot, and regenerative braking can make brake components last much longer. Another reason the CR-V lasts is owner behavior. People who buy CR-Vs often use them normally and maintain them reasonably well. They are not usually abused like performance cars or neglected like cheap beaters. They are family vehicles, commuter vehicles, and practical daily drivers. And when you combine a good design with normal usage, the result is long life. The CR-V is not exciting, but it is one of the best examples of reliable transportation in SUV form. Number 2. Lexus GX460. At number 2, we have the Lexus GX460. This SUV is special because most people misunderstand what it really is. On the outside, it looks like a luxury SUV. Leather seats, wood trim, quiet cabin, Lexus badge, but underneath all of that, it is basically related to the global Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. And that changes everything. This is not just a soft city crossover. The GX is a body-on-frame SUV built for serious durability. It was designed with off-road strength, long-distance reliability, and harsh conditions in mind. That is why these vehicles are trusted in many parts of the world where roads are rough and breakdowns are not just annoying. They can be dangerous. The 4.6-liter V8 is smooth, strong, and long-lasting. It is paired with a proven automatic transmission, and the overall powertrain stayed mostly consistent for years. That is a good thing. When a company uses the same engine and transmission for a long time, it means the weak points are known and usually fixed. The GX is also not overloaded with fragile performance technology. It is old school in the best way. The ride is comfortable, the cabin is quiet, the materials hold up, and the structure underneath is seriously tough. Used buyers have finally realized how good the GX460 is, which is why prices stay strong. It gives you Land Cruiser-style toughness with Lexus comfort. That is a rare combination. Number 1. Toyota 4Runner. And at number 1, we have the Toyota 4Runner. Nobody is shocked. The 4Runner is basically the definition of old-school reliability. For years, people criticized it for being outdated. The interior was old. The transmission had fewer gears. The fuel economy was not great. The technology was behind competitors. But here is the funny part. All of those weaknesses are exactly why it became so reliable. Toyota did not constantly redesign the 4Runner. They did not experiment with tiny turbo engines. They did not chase complicated transmissions. They did not turn it into a soft crossover. They kept it simple. The 4.0-liter V6 is proven. The 5-speed automatic is proven. The body-on-frame construction is proven. The controls are physical, basic, and durable. This is not a delicate SUV. It is built like a tool. The 4Runner can handle bad roads, off-road trails, high mileage, and daily abuse better than most modern crossovers. That is why owners are so loyal. They know it may not be the newest or smoothest SUV, but it will keep going. It is one of those vehicles where 150,000 miles does not scare buyers. In fact, many people see that as normal. The 4Runner is not perfect. It uses fuel. It rides like a truck. It feels old inside. But when the question is, which SUV can I keep forever? The 4Runner is always near the top. It is the SUV version of a cast iron pan. Simple, tough, and almost impossible to wear out. Honorable mention, Chevy Tahoe, GMC Yukon, and Chevy Suburban. Before we finish, we have to mention the American full-size legends, the Chevy Tahoe, GMC Yukon, and Chevy Suburban. These SUVs did not make the main top 10 because they need a more careful owner, but when maintained properly, they can last a very long time. The biggest reason is the V8. GM's LS-based V8 engines are simple, strong, and widely supported. Parts are everywhere. Mechanics know them well. Repairs are usually not exotic or impossible. These SUVs were built to tow, haul, and carry heavy loads. So if you are just using one for daily family driving, the engine and chassis are not being pushed very hard. That is why you still see older Tahoes, Yukons, and Suburbans everywhere. But there is a catch. Some versions have cylinder deactivation, called AFM, and that system can cause lifter problems if maintenance is ignored. Owners who understand this usually stay strict with oil changes or use an AFM disabler. Transmission cooling is also important, especially if the SUV is used for towing. So these are not completely buy-it-and-forget-it vehicles. But with the right maintenance, they are some of the longest-lasting American SUVs ever made. So that is the list. The SUVs that last the longest usually have one thing in common. They are not overcomplicated. No fragile gimmicks, no unnecessary engineering experiments, no powertrains pushed to the absolute limit. Just proven engines, strong transmissions, simple designs, and owners who take care of them. Buy the right one, maintain it properly, and some of these SUVs can stay on the road for decades. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, which SUV do you think deserves to be on this list? I'll see you in the next video.